Welcome back to other lecture of Laravel services application. So let's start where we left in our last lecture. So here is our location. Here I'm going to add all these variable or sortings in here. So first of all that we have to add here variable query is equal to service where city like percentage dollar this location where or where status should be active. This will show only the services which are active that time or active against that location, and after that where approved means a service approved by admin. If yes, okay, this is the basic query for location. After that we are going to use our if condition, which I am going to copy from my services component, not services. Where is it? By from here. This is the our basic query which I was used in search condition. Now I'm going to copy from here and going to copy here. I have to give title name rather than search. After that here I have to city is okay, category ID, public dollar category ID. It says category ID is already declare. Okay, after that subcategory ID I'm going to control V or add sub. After that what we have to do here is featured. For featured I am going to use advanced sorting. Okay, and a min and max price. Okay, sorting is okay, positioning for okay, pagination per page is okay. Okay, and here we are giving the categories and type. So let's move our front end, and here I'm going to search location slash Hyderabad, and in our I'm going to close this one. Here I have to give the correct directory name of the images. Okay, so let's see other things are working correctly or not. Here its price is 10. To suppose I am going to add first of all 9 and then it's make it 90, so this one is working fine. Okay, let's see now for name house. Okay, this is also working fine. Okay, this one is also working fine. This one not working. Let's see why it not working properly. Service, here I'm giving the types. Okay, for that I have to move in my components where I have to search default by type. Default by type, control C, or here actually I'm not searching or giving. Now I'm hoping that it's work fine when we search on the basis of type. Okay, here is now search, because of currently we are searching on the basis of Hyderabad, it also showing that the Hyderabad. If I select uh, Islamabad, it will disappear. Okay, now I am going to this one. I have to search with VIP. It show nothing. Featured also nothing. When we click on top, it will show us the one record because this is feature type is top. And other thing also working fine. Because of that we cannot do it here because we have currently one service against the Hyderabad. So view in list, that is also working perfectly fine. For that I am going to here I have to also add okay. So in this way we can filters, or in this way we can apply filters and sortings on our results of location. So you have to also do it as I do it. Here we can also update this city by doing, we not want to fetch the data on only the basis of city. We also want the on the basis of address or country as well. So for that, on the address not country, because of that, for country we have to first convert the country name in type id, or we have to use query eloquent query function to do that. So that I'm going to add one more condition, or where of address of the service, like here percentage, and here I'm going to do dollar this location and percentage. Here I have to move or remove this one from here. Now when I'm also give the address of particular area of the service, it will also show the services against available this area. Suppose I'm going to first of all show you this address. Suppose I'm copying this one, and here why it not show that. There is maybe mm, suppose let's move and put only Hasnan town. Now see, not for Hasnan town as well. Here I'm going to do Multan. Here it will show us the Multan of city, not the address. Mm, mhm. First of all, I have to do it here dollar query on the basis of location. Suppose it's give null because it's not fetch any data. Or we can make it different on the basis of not address. Suppose I am giving here state, then see what happened. Or here I'm going to give Punjab. This time is also it's give null. where I'm doing mistake. Mm. Give me a few seconds to fix this. Then I will show what was the reason it not showing on this state. हाँ जी, कुछ भी नहीं था, बस थोड़ा सा वेयर कंडीशंस वगैरह का इश्यू था, वो मैंने किया है सही, वो आप देख ले। अब मैंने दो चीज़ें और भी कर रहा हूँ। मैंने क्वेरी कोड चेक करने के बाद ठीक है इसको किया है, एक कंडीशन और एक्स्ट्रा ऐड की है। चेक कर रहा है कि नॉट नल्ड हो, डिलीटेड एट नल्ड हो। ठीक है, यहाँ पे मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ कि पहले वो चेक करे सिटी, उसके बाद जिप कोड और फिर स्टेट। अब करंटली जो है वो हमें 5950 के जिप कोड की बेसिस के ऊपर हमें डाटा सर्च करके दिखा रहा है कि कितने हैं पड़े। ठीक है, और सेम अगर अब हम यहाँ पर इसको मैं मुल्तान करता हूँ तो ये क्या करेगा, तमाम रिकॉर्ड्स मुल्तान के हमें शो करा देगा। ठीक हो गया। तो इस तरह से जो है हमने अपना लोकेशन की सॉर्टिंग के अंदर दो कंडीशंस और ऐड कर ली हैं। ठीक है, तो अब मैंने आपको क्या है कंप्लीट दिखा दिया है कि कैसे मैंने दूसरे मेरे जितने भी थे सर्विसेज की या उनका बैकएंड कैसे लिखा है। ठीक है, उनको डाटा फैच कैसे किया, फिल्ट्रेशन कैसे अप्लाइड की है, सॉर्टिंग कैसे अप्लाइड की है। नाउ यू कैन easily understand how I will manage my other components like search, services, category, and how I apply my other sortings and filters condition on my query data. So using this method and technique you can implement all these other functionalities or sortings in your code according to your requirements. So this is the end of today's lecture. Hopefully you will like it, and if you have any question you can comment me, or you can WhatsApp me, or you can mail me on my email number. Till that, take care. Do not forget to share my video with your colleagues, your family, friends, and your classmates, and subscribe my channel as well. See you in next lecture. Till that, Allah Hafiz.